Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Beauty by Dave. I'm Dave. What do we do? We do beginner boy beauty. Where we play with where we play with makeup products just for fun. I guess it's gonna be that kind of a day. I hope you're having that kind of a day, because you know what day it is. It must be Saturday. We're gonna have some fun today. We're just gonna get right to it. We're doing Morphe today. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna do this Morphe Hot Shot Blush Drop. And then they had this little blush brush. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit of an unboxing of this. And we're just gonna slap it on, and then we're gonna go on with our day. How about that? Power grip, power drip, it says. It's trying to say it. It does say power drip. Power drip, all right. Blushpocalypse 2024. You know how it is. I've officially changed this channel. This is now a blush channel. The only thing I do is review blush. The only thing I'm going to do is review blush. Thank you. So, give skin a healthy looking flush with this buildable water weight blush formulated with an advanced moisture complex. Okay, girls. Algae-based complex, niacinamide, and glycerin. Sweep onto skin for a semi-sheer wash of color. Build for a bolder pop of blush, or blend with other liquid makeup for a completely customized look. You know, I'm not too sure about this. It's clearly, you know, the Drunk Elephant blush drop, ripoff, dupe, whatever you want to call it. But, you know, this one spoke to me. You know, I just can't stop getting peach and orange blushes and just using them. That's what I do. I think of cartoons, I think of drawing, and I think of painting, drawing like the skin when I was a kid, and you always use the color peach for the skin. And so that's what I think of, because I have, you know, super white ghost face, and today I put a shitload of bronzer on. Way too much. Whoops. I'm really liking Milk. Milk makeup is kind of crushing it for me these days. I'm liking these tiny little sticks they got. I got the bronzer stick in the shade Baked. They had 3 bronzer shades, and they were all like names about like getting high. Like, it was funny. It was interesting. That made me laugh. But anyway, we were at the store, looked at this Morphe, and tried it and liked it. Shake gently. Gentle shake. Yay. Hello. Alright, and then it's got this nice little twist off lid. Then it's got a drippy in there. You know, you gotta squeeze on it or it'll come out. Okay. I probably could put it like on a hand. I guess I'll do it on the hand for a little swatchy, because this is a video. So swatchy. Oh my garbicles. Wow. Oh my garbicles. Wow. Okay, that was interesting. That was a lot. It's just gonna see what happens here. Ooh, oh, see, look at that. That's dope. Interesting. Look at that. That is baller. That is baller. It's so wet. It's so liquidy. Obviously, I put a huge amount on my hand, which is not exactly what you need. But that's okay. I was gonna just go like crazy guy and just put it right on the face, but now we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna use our brush, because we now have a nice new Morphe blush brush. This one is supposedly designed for a rounded cream and liquid blush brush. The rounded, perfectly proportioned shape hugs cheeks, while the best in bristle short and long duo fibers provide the optimal density and fluffiness to evenly stipple on color and seamlessly blend it out. Y'all know me. You know I'm a stippler. You know I like to stipple. So here we go. It's kind of nice. All right. Okay. It's a brush. It's a bit smaller than brushes that I usually use, and it is quite rounded. So we'll see what happens when I stipple with it, because I'm a stipple guy. I like to stipple. Okay, So now we got this hot shot. I wonder if I should have done it quicker, but no, it's still very wet, so it's fine. All right, we're just gonna get it all going to town, and let's just see what happens. So we've done the face all up, and so now we're just ready for our blush. So let's just see what happens. Oh, ooh, it's very wet. Oh, it's very wet. It's very gorge. Oof, oof, oof. Oh my. Okay, I haven't exactly enjoyed a lot of products that I've just tried immediately lately, but whoa. Okay, I pretty much got most of it off of the hand here. There's not exactly a whole lot left for the other side of the cheek. Wow, the color payoff is very excelente. Okay, it's very wet. Oof, oof. Excuse my just random noises. I wish I could be explaining this better. It's just so. Ooh, oh, it's just. Oof. Oh my God. This is baller. This is baller. It's very glowy. It's very liquidy. It's very hydrating. It looks incredible immediately. The wear time, we're not going to talk about that because we don't really know because it's going to be a 5-minute video. Upon first application, it is dope. The color is exactly the type of peach that I like. It looks just like my skin. Oh, if I go outside like this, the girlies are going to be like, oh, Dave, oh, your cheeks are looking nice today. Oof. Like, oh, your skin is looking really lovely. It is looking lovely. Oof. Oh, wow. This Morphe Hot Shot. Wow. I'm going to experiment a lot more with this, but it's definitely really nice. They have that other new one. They have a new cream that's in that little spiral thing. And I swatched that, and this was like very, very sheer. There was almost nothing there. And then I swatched this guy, and it just was like, oof, it hit. So this is my first blush drop, but I'm very interested. I mean, this is looking gorgeous. Let's just get you checked in here. Hello. You see that glow? You see that glow, glow, glow? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, I would stop the video, but since this is a try-on, we're just going to put a little bit more on. Because I really want you to be able to see it. See what happens when we just drop it on. Be bold here. Quiet. Quiet on a sec. Ooh, nice. You can just put it right on. You know, it's fine. It might have a little bit like of a cloud paint consistency, in which it's just like so liquidy and wet. I think that cloud paint is extremely more pigmented. So this has a lot more forgiveness. So you just kind of put it on and you stipple it out. Oh, dude, it's really gorge. Oh, it's really gorge. It looks really nice and even. It does not look like makeup. Oh. Oof. Hello. Hello. This side is still looking nice. With one coat, 2 coats. Oof. Wow. What do we think of this brush? What's going on with this brush? It's very rounded. It worked really well. I mean, I guess. That's what I needed. I like the cream for blushes and stuff. And so I was like, I better at least try the best tool for the job. And so I think this was $15. I think this guy was $15 at Ulta. So Morphe, check them out. Please comment if you've tried the hot shots. Let me know if I should try the other shades. If there's other drops that you like better. Please because that's always fun. Because I like you. Yes, I do. And if you want to be my friend, please subscribe. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you soon.